Hello fellow comic book worms, this is Naman. Welcome to my channel. I was gonna wait, but I really like to see the condition of this book I got from eBay, these books. So let's open it.
Oh, what fun we're going to have together.
Because if you open eBay stuff too late, then you don't have time to complain. So, do I need a scissor or something? Let's see. Maybe I do. Yeah. Okay. There you go. I said done a fair job of the packaging, of the cushions all around. A card. Thank you for your order. Hypno Comics. So that's where I got these from. Hey, I made some deals with it. Some negotiating going on. I don't buy with that. If what I do is I just put on watch list, and if there are a whole bunch of them, I just put on watch list on every one of them that I want. Then anybody respond, especially those who respond with counter offers, then I make a counter offers. If somebody offers like 50% discount, immediately I look at it and say, yeah, I was going to pay for 50% off, then I buy it. So, eBay purchase has been really good for me. I mean, I'm satisfied with it. Books are not as it's not in great condition, but I'm happy with it. Now, eBay labels everywhere. It's a pretty thick package. These are magazine-sized comic books from 70s. Let me see if I got the right end. Yeah, I got the right end. Ooh, but this is one of the best covers. Maybe not. It's one of those good covers though. Pretty good. Number 21. Final Fury chapter. Number 21. Pretty cover there. Going down there. There you go. These are about magazine size. I'll go through one of these after. Let's see. That's number 20. Bagging bordered well, so that's good. It has a little bend right there. I think it would help if I put two of the magazine in one bag. It will straighten each other up. What am I thinking? I don't know. Number 14. I think we skipped a number from 20 to 14. 13. I want to compare the Planet of the Apes with Commandy stories I got. So I always like the Planet of the Apes. It's sort of disturbing at the same time. The stories are very disturbing for me, but Commandy is a little more adventuresome for me. Planet of the Apes feels like that you're gonna have a awful ending no matter what happens. 12, 11. I mean, all the covers, guys, are apes are winning. 8, again another skip. Okay. Oh, this is one of my favorite cover because that Statue of Liberty there. Number 7. Number 6. Most of these are in good shape. This one, Number 5. Uh-oh. Trap. Number 3. And number 2. So there was some skip in the. I didn't realize there's so many skips in the numbers here. Let me go ahead and open this up. Number 2. So number 2 and 3. Okay. I will release this video after I get number 1. I'm waiting for the number 1. I had to buy that separately. I thought I got 2 to 21, but I guess I misread it. I have to go back and check. Maybe I didn't get such a great deal. Something is sticking. Something is sticking here. Ooh, it looks like that's a really bad stick. I'm not gonna. Okay, I'll wait. It's a black and white art in there, not colored. It's a magazine. As binding is thick. It was originally $1. You have some photos from the movie. Yeah, that's all I got. Maybe original illustration from the movie. No. Yeah, well, yeah, here's the photos from the movie, definitely. Let me look at the artists on these. I never met an ape I didn't like. Some kind of articles in here too. Planet of the Apes. Table of contents. So it looks like a magazine more than a comic book. Editor-in-Chief, Roy Thomas. Editor, Tony Isabella. Consulting editor, Marl Wolfman. And art director, John Romita. And design is Marcia Gloster. And Langroy's production. Covered by Bob Larkin. Okay. So is it John Romita, the art director? Okay. 1974. Yep. Cool. I love it. Alright. I'm going to continue this video once I get the issue number 1, and I'll close up then. Okay, before I open this, I want to discuss my previous package that I opened from Crypto Comics. What happened was, I thought I was buying 2 to 21, issue 2 to 21, but I didn't carefully look at the itemized list, and it was missing about 8 books between 2 to 21. So 12 books. 12 book was listed at $200, I believe. Then what I do is when I buy from eBay, I look at all the books or lots of books that I want to buy. I just click on the watch list, I guess. Yeah, watch list, right? I just put them on my watch list. And some people will make an offer. Some people won't. Most of them will not put. Most of them, if they do have a, best offer, I do make an offer too. But normally those don't have a best offers, so I put on watch list. And when someone makes an offer, sometimes they have a counter offer option. Sometimes they don't. Well, this one did not have counter offer option, but it went from 200 to 125. So I say, wow, about 2 to 21. That's 20 bucks. I will pay about $6 to $7 range. I didn't think any of these were key, so I didn't care about that. And they said the books were in good shape. I looked at the photos; they looked like they were in good shape. So I bought it, thinking that I was going to get 2 to 21. And this book is I think it's going to be in poor condition, but in this book will make 1 to 21, and I will complete according to the last issue here. Final Fury chapter, it says. So I thought maybe that's one series of story that's being told, right? So I don't think it's complete. I think there are like more issues after this, but 1 to 21 was what I'm wanting to go for. Well, those missing things, and it turns out that even with the huge discount from 200 to 125, no shipping costs, it would have cost me 10 something. And yes, I made a mistake, not reading the itemized list and just reading the title. I wanted to call these guys and see if resolve some of my buyer's remorse, because thinking I was going to get the books for $6.50 each to over $10 each, that was a little bit much. I mean, when I was doing communication with them, they did offer immediately. They said you could have the money back if you're not happy with it. But they were in really good shape. I didn't want it, but I still had that buyer's remorse going from 6 something to 10 something. So I asked them, hey, you guys, I'm going to keep the book no matter what. I'm not going to give you guys bad review, because this is mostly my fault for not reading the itemized list. But will you do something for me? Some kind of partial refund, a small amount, doesn't matter. I'll leave it up to you guys. Well, they were gracious enough to give me $20 discount, so it ended up being about $1.50 to $2 off on each of these books. So it went from 6 something to 8, 9 something. So I'm super happy. There's no buyer's remorse, and I'll be using these guys again. So I just want to share that with you guys. Now that's done, let me open this up. Alrighty. I'm going to try to careful not to reveal my edges here. There you go. Oh, okay. Okay, a lot of blue tapes. Also, the condition of this book, I don't think it's as good as condition as those books, but it is issue number 1. So everybody's asking a lot of money for this one. Yeah, a lot of money, more than what I'm willing to pay for anyway. This is not a bag and boarded. It has its own. Maybe it is bag and boarded. Yeah, it's not bag and boarded. Okay, so it has a makeshift cardboard. Makeshift cardboard, customized cut. Then back end looks like this already. A lot of stain damages. And yeah, I think it's cleanable though. Issue number 1. Good reader's copy. Definitely is not as good as deal as these guys, but they're not issue number 1. Yeah, again, I'm a huge fan of the Planet of the Apes, Commandy. I wanted to compare Commandy stories with the Planet of the Apes comic books. Definitely, this is not a Jack Kirby art, and of course, I think this is a Marvel Division magazine company. It's called Curtis, but I think it's Marvel Division. I'm not sure. I think Charleston Heston images are in here somewhere. Is that Charleston Heston? Yeah. I love the interior art though. It reminds me of a lot of Conan books, Conan magazines. Well, there you go. I'm gonna implement my, just give you the example. For instance, you see this curve right there? See that the curve? I don't know why it's doing that. Especially these boards. I think because staple area and non-staple area has a little weight difference. It's cutting inward. So I think these are perfect books for one in the front, one in the back, or vice versa. So let me try that. Let me put this in. This is going to be temporary bag and boarding. Yeah. Hopefully this will balance out. The staple area is here and the staple area is here. I don't know, maybe it won't. Maybe in time they will balance out and straighten out. Also it feels a lot more sturdy with the 2 books in the board in there. So anyway, I'm really looking forward to reading these books. Now I have to hunt for those 8 missing books. Anyway, till next time, I'm out.